guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk. My brother Mark came round yesterday and gave me a few locks, including a couple of 3-lever mortise locks, which I'll do a video with the tryout keys a bit later on. This one I've picked is a Diskus padlock at 70mm, I think, unbranded. The reason I've chose to pick this one first is because I picked a Brinks padlock the other day. It's key retaining, so obviously once you unlock the lock with the key does not come out. Lock it back up, then it comes out. See, a lot of unbranded locks are very difficult to pick. This one is very easy, it flies open. So tension wrenching and get it sat in there correctly. And I'm starting at the front and working backwards. Like so. Very quick. You've literally just got to dance over the pins. So it's locked back up. I'll do that one more time. Pin one. There you go. Picked open again, very quick. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, please come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. And the reason I've laid that down is because Mech on our UK Locksport forum wanted to see Lenny the Laser in action again. So here's Lenny the Laser. I've literally dusted cobwebs off. So this is for you, Mech mate. And there he goes. On true form as always. So like I say, thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.